Colon cancer is the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths in the U.S., topped only by lung cancer. But it doesn't have to be that way. Early detection and treatment is as good as a cure. But everyone hates the screening, a colonoscopy. We're creating a blood test to diagnose the disease, which could mean the end of colonoscopies. During a colonoscopy, a doctor puts a long tube with a camera into the colon to look for any signs of trouble. It's uncomfortable, has risks, and costs patients 2 days of lost time and work. Not surprisingly, many people just don't get them.
In Illinois, we have about 58 to 60% of those who are eligible to be screened that actually get screened. Where we really see differences are in racial ethnic minority populations.
While blacks are more likely to die from colon cancer than any other race, only about 20% of them on the south side of Chicago get screened. The blood test I'm working on is fast and less expensive, making an early diagnosis easier to get in the communities that need it the most. We expect the cost to be about $200 and to take only a few minutes, while a colonoscopy costs $5,000 and takes hours. Other groups have tried to make a blood test before, but their tests miss the cancer in 30% of the patients. Our technology is much more accurate. It scans tiny amounts of your DNA, tags them as a cancer-related or normal, and creates a fingerprint of colon cancer that we can track.
Those kind of markers we can develop into a kind of signature or print to distinguish patients from healthy patients.
We've already tried a version of this blood test with nearly 150 cancer patients in China and had great success. This pilot funding will help us perfect the technology and bring it to Chicago for the minority communities that wouldn't otherwise get screened for colon cancer.
It's going to help people identify what's wrong and treat it quicker. The blood test is immediately going to actually save money in the long term.
Colon cancer is just the start. The same strategy applies to almost every other cancer. It's a technology platform that has potential.